Okay, today is March 26th, 2026. Thursday, I am up $511 on the day. Taking 3 trades, 2 wins, 1 break even. And I'm going to go over the price action and getting into the bias. I was bearish on the day. Partly because of the news, partly because we were breaking below on the weekly volume profile. We were breaking below value area low. And basically, I had marked this low volume node out pre-market. And I was basically thinking, price is probably not going to get anywhere above this. So I was really looking for price to come up into this and then probably take shorts off of that. But we ended up opening lower, and there was actually a trade right at the market open that I could have taken. There were actually 2 trades. One of them was definitely better than the other one, but the first one was right here. So we already have like this move down. I didn't really expect us to open down. Once we opened down, I was like, okay, like once we take this low, I wasn't really going to be bearish until we were up in this range again. But the thing is when we were going to take this low, there was literally a setup right here. And yeah, this is the setup, basically, right there. I mean, pretty low time frame, pretty like very like small setup, I guess. But I mean, this is technically this trade. I could have taken it. It's pretty low probability though, I feel like. But either way, it's just too soon in the market open. Like I didn't take it. There was even another setup here. It wasn't as good as this one, since we'd already taken the low. But where is it at? Oh, maybe there wasn't. Yeah, anyway. No other setup. So right here, I was going to take longs. Once we took this low, I was like, okay, we're probably not going to go any lower at this point. And I was looking for longs here, and there wasn't really anything. It was looking really good for a little bit, but there wasn't really anything to take, unfortunately. And then we end up hitting straight into this low volume node, and this was where I was like, okay, we could get a reversal. I was still looking for longs just off of this like move up. Like this is a pretty good move, definitely a tradable move. I was looking for like a retrace, and then price starts to chop a little bit, and this is where I was thinking, okay, here we go. So right here, this is actually before price started to chop. So right here, this is a great setup for me, basically. I was wanting to trade this. So this candle formed so fast. I did take this trade, and unfortunately, I did get filled like up here. If I had gotten filled like at a better fill, I mean, realistically, I want to be filled in here, but unfortunately, my brokerage was like lagging. So either way, I got filled around this level, I believe. And, I mean, this was a ripper candle. Yeah, I mean, if I had gotten filled in here, I could have been done for the day in just one trade here. But what ends up happening is we actually create a low, and I move my stop to break even. Right here, I think we create a low. Yeah, so it was right here. Low created, I move my stop to break even, and I do end up getting stopped at break even. Boom. Out of break even. Unfortunate. If I had gotten a good fill on this, like not only would I not have been stopped to break even, but this would have literally just been the only trade of the day, because I basically hit my profit target. So right after that got stopped out, I noticed that this is still a good setup. And right here, I actually end up re-entering. And I was targeting a 1-to-1, pretty standard. This was not the greatest setup ever, but it was pretty high conviction, I think. So this does end up just ripping in 2 candles. So after that, I was looking for other setups. I was figuring, this is, again, like this is probably as high as we're going. This level is just like really strong. Like we held it here and then we broke it here really strongly, and like I knew this was a strong level. So I'm just gonna speed through this next part because basically price just kind of starts to chop, and I was just waiting on here, like looking for more setups. And I mean, I knew we could get a move down, but we just weren't really getting it. Then we have this crazy news candle. I don't know what the news was that came out, but there was definitely some sort of news because this movement was really weird. And this actually ends up causing a move down. And so this move down, I was looking to trade, but I didn't get any setups, unfortunately. Okay, and then when we take this low, I saw this as a reversal just because on the 5 minute, whenever I see movement like this on the 5 minute, like we had it up here too, I'm pretty much going to treat it as a reversal because it just looks like it. I mean, it just is like this whole move gets absorbed super aggressively and we get a reversal. So at this point, since there were no setups within this move down, I was actually looking at longs. And this was actually looking amazing for longs right here. I was looking to trade this basically. Like this was actually like looking like an A setup, like super, super good. We got this move down. I was like, oh man, this is going to be it. And then, and then right here, we just get this candle, which this, like the second I saw the tape speed up and I saw these buyers enter, I was like, I knew we were going to take this high. And I was like, shit, like I didn't get the setup I wanted basically. Because there was, I mean, we didn't hit the low volume node. There was no absorption of sellers. So after that high was taken, I was like, okay, this doesn't really look like a reversal anymore because the trend is not really continuing. Like the high was taken, nothing ended up really happening off of it. We didn't push through or anything. And then at that point, I was like, okay, well, I mean, I guess, that point I was like, bro, what is this? Okay. I was looking at this range and I was like, this does not look good. Like this volume profile is just not what I want to see for a trade. I was thinking, okay, maybe I can short from here. Like, I don't know. I just did not really know what to do here. And I really wanted something more internal than this because this is just a bro moment right here. This is quite the bro moment. So I was just kind of waiting, and I was like, okay, I'm probably going to end the day at like 9:30 because I was just like going to get off soon. So then I see this, and I was like, okay, well, this is like not too bad. Like, I was looking at shorts again now because the uptrend basically just all got absorbed. And this was actually a setup. Not the best setup, but where is it? It's like right when I was about to get off because this is just chopping and I was like, bro. Okay, right here. I was like, holy shit, I'm actually getting a setup. In direction of the trend. Boom, right there. So I saw this. This was the tape. Like you can see the tape. It's like, okay, well, this is clear. Tape speeding up. Seller enters. This candle's moving really fast. Again, fast tape. And I entered here and just absolutely ripped. Boom. And that was the second trade, or the third trade, I guess. So yeah, the first trade stopped at break even. Second one was a little 1-to-1. This was another little 1-to-1, but I mean, not the best setup ever, but still pretty good. When you see the tape speed up like this, when I see that tape speed up, I'm just like, I gotta get in on this. So that was the day. Again, up $511, made back all yesterday's losses and more, which is great. And yeah, going into Friday, hopefully we get some cleaner price action. I thought this was at least better than yesterday because yesterday was just, I don't know, man. Yesterday was just a bro moment. Like this was just horrible. This was really hard to trade. It's been hard to trade this week, but I thought this was really, really clean, especially the reaction off the low volume node. But anyway, one more day of the week. We'll see how it goes. I'm up on the week now, so yeah, we'll see how tomorrow goes.